Question number 1. The structural and functional unit of the kidney is. The correct option is option A. Nephron. Question number 2. Which of the following organs is not part of the urinary system? The correct option is option C. Liver. Question number 3. Urine is transported from the kidney to the urinary bladder by. The correct option is option D. Ureter. Question number 4. Which part of the nephron is responsible for ultrafiltration? The correct option is option B. Glomerulus. Question number 5. What is the average glomerular filtration rate GFR in a healthy adult? The correct option is option A. 125 ml per minute. Question number 6. Which of the following is not reabsorbed by the proximal convoluted tubule or PCT? The correct option is option C. Urea. Question number 7. Which hormone increase the permeability of the distal tubule and collecting duct to water? The correct option is option B. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Question number 8. Aldosterone acts on the nephron too. The correct option is B. Increase sodium reabsorption. Question number 9. The loop of Henle is primarily responsible for. Correct option is option C. Creating a concentration gradient in the medulla. Question number 10. Which blood vessels brings blood to the glomerulus? The correct option is option B. Afferent arteriole. Question number 11. Which of the following substance is not normally found in the urine? The correct option is option B. Glucose. Question number 12. Countercurrent mechanism in the nephron occurs between. The correct option is option B. Loop of Henle and vasa recta. Question number 13. The hormone that regulates sodium absorption in the kidneys is. Correct option is option B. aldosterone. Question number 14. The enzyme secreted by the juxtaglomerular cells is. The correct option is option A. Renin. Question number 15. The pH of the urine is typically. The correct option is option C. Slightly acidic. Question number 16. Which ion is secreted in excess when blood pH drops? The correct option is option B. H+, hydrogen ion. 17. Which vitamin's activation occurs in the kidney? The correct option is option D. Vitamin D. Question number 18. The presence of ketone bodies in urine indicates. The correct option is option C. Starvation and diabetes. Question number 19. Renal threshold for glucose is approximately. The correct option is option C. 160 and 180 mg per dl. Question number 20. Which of the following is responsible for hypertonic medullary interstitium? The correct option is option C. Loop of Henle. Question number 21. A disease marked by high levels of urea in the blood is. The correct option is option B. Uremia. Question number 22. inflammation of the glomeruli is called? The correct option is option B, glomerulonephritis. Question number 23. Dialysis is recommended in? The correct option is option B, kidney failure. Question number 24. Which test is used to detect protein in the urine? The correct option is option C, heat coagulation test. Question number 25. Which condition is characterized by the presence of RBCs in urine? Correct option is option C, hematuria. Question number 26. Renal calculi are commonly composed of? Correct option is option B, calcium oxalate. Question number 27. Which of the following is not a function of the kidneys? Correct option is option C, detoxification of drugs, which is done by liver. Question number 28. In diabetes mellitus, which substance is found in urine? The correct option is option B, glucose. Question number 29. Proteinuria is a symptom of? The correct option is option A, nephrotic syndrome. Question number 30. Which structure is affected in a urinary tract infection? The correct option is option C, urinary bladder. Question number 31. Which kidney is slightly lower in position? Lower. Correct option is option A, right. Right kidney is slightly lower in position and left kidney is slightly higher in position. Question number 32. The fluid in the Bowman's capsule is called? The correct option is option B, filtrate. Question number 33. What surrounds the glomerulus? Correct option is option C, Bowman's capsule. Question number 34. Urine is expelled out of the body through the correct option is option B, urethra. Question number 35. Which vessels exit the glomerulus? Correct option is option C, efferent arteriole exit the glomerulus and afferent arteriole enter into the glomerulus. Question number 36. Which hormone promotes RBC formation by kidneys? The correct option is option A, erythropoietin. 37. Which is not part of the nephron? The correct option is option C, ureter. 38. Which layer of the glomerular membrane is made of podocytes? The correct option is option C, visceral layer. Question number 39. Which mechanism prevents loss of glucose in urine? The correct option is option C, active reabsorption. Question number 14. Which structure collects urine from multiple nephrons? The correct option is option C, collecting ducts. Collect urine from multiple nephrons. Question number 41. Maximum reabsorption occurs in? The correct option is option A, PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. Question number 42. Which ion is absorbed under aldosterone influence? The correct option is option C, sodium. Question number 43. Which type of epithelium lines the urinary bladder? The correct option is option C, transitional epithelium. Question number 44. In micturition, reflex the signal goes to? The correct option is option B, spinal cord. Question number 45. vasa recta are associated with? The correct option is option A, juxtamedullary nephrons. Question number 46. What initiates the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system or RAS? The correct option is option A, low BP, low blood pressure. Initiate the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Question number 47. Which of the following helps in urine concentration? The correct option is option C, loop of Henle helps in urine concentration. Question number 48. Which part of the nephron is impermeable to water? Impermeable to water. The correct option is option B, ascending limb is impermeable to water. Question number 49. Which part of the flowing maintains the osmolarity gradient in the medulla? The correct option is option A, vasa recta. Question number 50. Reabsorption of glucose is a process. Passive diffusion based, active, osmotic. The correct option is option C, active. Reabsorption of glucose is an active process.